ang powerful lang ba ng US visa? Kasi with your active US visa, may mga bansa and territories na hindi ka na hahanapan pa ng another specific visa to enter their territory. For South Korea, alam nyo ba be na visa-free ang Pilipino for 30 days sa South Korea if you're holding a US visa and if you are flying from Philippines to US or US to Philippines. For example, let's say it's via Incheon Airport So let's say Philippines, Incheon, kahit 30 days yan dyan. Tapos next trip mo is US or US, Korea, Incheon dapat tapos Philippines. Kung gusto mo pumunta ng Mexico tapos may US visa ka, di mo na kailangan kumuha ng Mexican visa. Pag may active US visa ka na, pwede ka na mag-apply ng electronic e-travel authorization or pwede ka na mag-apply ng electronic travel authorization with your US visa without the